Well, here we are at the nearly end of February. How you doing on those New Year's resolutions? Did you have one to work out, get fit, and maybe it's just a little hard to maintain that goal? Don't worry, we get it, we understand. And if you do need some help maintaining that goal, we've got the team that can help you do that with our friends at CustomFit360. We've got Erik Schreiber and Kelly Kravchenko. Did I get that right?
Yeah.
Nice. So you guys are here with CustomFit360. Introduce folks who have never heard of you guys, or maybe they're just kind of dipping their toe into the fitness pool and they need some tips and tricks on how to get started. How are you guys different? How do you help people achieve those goals?
Custom Fit is very different from a lot of other gyms because we really are customizing your experience. So a lot of our members that come in, maybe they came to another gym before and they were just working their way around the machines, working out by themselves. Maybe a trainer approached them, but it wasn't that really good fit for them where they felt like it was a safe spot. It's intimidating starting a fitness program. So our approach when someone comes in, we have a conversation with them. We go over goals, their training history, if they've had any injuries, and then what specifically is what they want to accomplish with their time with us. And also not being intimidated by a ton of equipment that's super scary looking and everybody staring at you. It's like we are a small community. Everybody greets you by your name when you come in. Everyone knows who you are. It's very supportive. So it feels more like a family and a little community versus like a gym where everyone's coming in and just kind of like staring at you. And it can be intimidating. So I think customizing the experience is like the #1 thing that we prioritize with our clients.
Erik, for you, you're the owner. What is it about CustomFit360? Why did you want to get this started?
Well, for all the reasons that we just talked about, right? I've been in the industry for a long time. I worked in those big box gyms, and there's nothing wrong with them. However, when I was training my clients, a lot of them expressed that they were uncomfortable, that they didn't know what to do on their own time. I wanted to make sure that we had a whole fitness approach, not just strength, not just cardio, but mobility, stability, balance, cognitive health, healthy body composition, which can mean different things. So I wanted to customize everything in a 360-degree way where we're focusing on all components of fitness, not just one component of fitness, and guiding people every step of the way.
So I love that. Cool. So yeah, not only is the community that you guys help work out and obtain those fitness goals, get that family feel, but you guys do too. You're part of that family as well.
Yeah, 100%.
I think that's awesome. So for folks who are hearing this and they're saying, all right, it is time to get moving and maybe this is going to be the perfect fit for them. Is this a membership situation? Can people just walk in? How do people get involved with the experience that CustomFit360 offers?
Well, I mean, they can always reach out to the website. They can, we have 2 locations. We have the Lewis location as well as Ocean View or Millville, and they can just click on the Lewis location. And the first step is just to set up a consultation with Kelly or one of the other fitness professionals there.
Perfect.
I was talking to somebody downstairs. We start slow. We start easy. We don't just dive in. We want to make sure that you get involved in something that you're going to be able to sustain for a long period of time.
I love that. That's awesome. Well, you guys, thank you so much for coming in and telling us about CustomFit360 and getting people excited and comfortable when it comes to maintaining those fitness goals. Because I think that's probably one of the biggest hurdles that people are up against.
For sure.
Is that comfort level. But we're not done hanging out with these guys. We've actually got some tips for you. If maybe you're motivated, but you're struggling a little bit in the office, we've got some tips and tricks to stay fit during the workday on the way. Well, CoastLife, before the break, we introduced you to Erik and Kelly with CustomFit360, and now they are going to introduce us to a workout that you can do on the stairs on your lunch break.
Today, we're going to do a lunchtime workout, something that you can do very quickly, very easily, whether you're at the office or you're at home. And all you need is a set of stairs, a chair, and your body. So we're going to go from the simplest form of the exercise to the most complex or hardest. You can say easiest to hardest, but we say simple to complex. So the first thing we're going to do, or let me explain the whole thing, we're going to do squats with a staircase walk. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is a chair squat. This is the simplest form. You're going to sit down fully, pause, and then stand up. sit down, stand up. So we're gonna do a ladder where you're gonna go 1 squat to 1 staircase squat or walk. If you need to hold on to the railing, do so. The goal is that the more comfortable and the more fit, the more balanced you are, the less you have to hold on. So then you're gonna go 2 squats, 1, 2, 1 staircase walk. See, notice she is not holding on anymore. She's got results, just like that. Yep. So that's the simplest form. The second way we're gonna do this is just a regular body weight squat. She's gonna squat down. Again, the goal is to do 1 squat, 1 ladder or staircase. She's picking up the speed a little bit. Then you're gonna go 2 squats, staircase. Oh, I can hear her, she's breathing a little bit heavier now. Come back down, make sure you balance. Then you're gonna go 3 squats. Okay, that's good, that's good. Right, and you're gonna try to work up to 10. 10 squats, 1 staircase every time. Now, the most complex or hardest, if you're feeling squirrely, is you can do a jump squat. So you jump 1, up, and then, now on the staircase with this one, you wanna try to be a little quicker. 2 jump squats, and then fly up the stairs. Pump those arms, pump those arms, pump those arms. There you go. Let's go ahead and go for 3. 3 jump squats. 1, 2, 3. Get up those stairs. Boom. Ooh. I know you're feeling it. Yep. Good, relax, relax, relax. So again, you're gonna try to work up to 10. Really, it might take you about 10 to 15 minutes to do this all the way through. But you'll have gotten a great workout. You've broken up your day. You worked on balance, strength, stability, cardiovascular, and your mental state will be better.
I don't know about you, but I'm tired watching Kelly just go up and down those stairs and working in those squats. And I think what I like about that ladder build, of course, is that you start with 1, and then you go up the stairs, and then you do 2 squats, and then you go up and down the stairs. So it feels a little bit more manageable when it's in those bites, but I'm sure by the time you get to 10 squats, it does not feel as manageable as it looks. But I love their energy. I feel inspired myself, and who knows, maybe I'll be working that into my lunch break tomorrow. If I do, I'll let you know how it goes. But for now, we've got some more CoastLife coming your way. We're telling some jokes when we get back.